Evernote user. And as an Evernote user, there are many more apps that you can integrate throughout your Evernote experience. Some apps use Google Drive and Microsoft Outlook, so you don't have to go back and forth between apps. I'm going to walk you through some of these Evernote apps in the Evernote App Center, as well as some of the apps that relate to education. So here are a few of my favorite from the new and noteworthy section. Task Clone. Task Clone instantly sends Evernote checklists or note titles, stocks live, everything you need for wise investing, write notes, record audios, and capture charts for any stocks and save them to the Evernote cloud. Mail Butler is a productivity boosting add-on for Apple Mail, which easily converts emails into Evernote notes. And then if you scroll down, you will see the Evernote collections. There's business, productivity, education, paperless, and lifestyle. So many different collections to choose from within Evernote. I'm going to click on education. And in education, there are many more apps to use. Feedly Pro is a better way to organize, read, and save articles from your favorite sites to Evernote. And then down here it lists the different things you can use it on: the Android, Android tablet, iPad, iPhone, web apps. There's many more. Blinkist. Blinkist transforms best-selling nonfiction books into 15-minute mobile reads, syncing with Evernote to build your library of highlights and insights. And that can also be found on Android, Android tablet, iPad, iPhone, and web apps. And Maya. Discover relevant content for work and life in one spot with Maya. Connect Evernote and weave in all your notebooks seamlessly. So these are some of the fantastic Ever apps that exist within Evernote.